I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I've got a couple of things going. One, I have a couple of saw blades. One's soaking in grease lightning, and the other one's soaking in vinegar because I need to remove some rust. While I've got the vinegar out, I'm going to clean up an auger bit. This is an auger bit that George gave me, and I've been getting ready to work on it, but haven't had the time. Now that the bathroom's done, I'll get back to it. The reason I made this column out of 2-inch pipe is so it'll handle a 2-inch auger bit. Now all I have to do is pour the vinegar in. Until it covers the drill, and then we let it set. And while I'm at it, this is a project from my high school days. I made a lead hammer. Now the lead hammer used to encase this, but over time the hammer itself got taken off and turned into other projects. But I decided to cast another lead hammer, so I'm going to clean up this handle. And a nice thing about the plastic pipe, if you drop something in it, it just bounces. Now, I was able to do that with less than half a gallon of vinegar. I started out with about 1.5 quarts. These tall, thin tubes let me put the vinegar in there and cover up the part without needing a whole lot of vinegar. And these caps, they're there to keep the fumes inside. It is slightly acidic. If I let it run wild here in the room, I would start to notice some surface rust on the steel in the area, and I think I have a bit of steel. So I don't want to have that happen. Now these sit overnight, and I'll come back and look at them in the morning. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.